That's pretty cool. So just starting, a couple minutes here, like at 9:47 until 10, like less than 20 minutes, we already make $70 in profits already. That's pretty cool already, using this indicator. So guys, you can try with this new indicator. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the TradingView community indicator. This indicator is a paid indicator, so I'm pretty excited to test it out because this indicator is a pattern indicator that mostly will catch all the patterns that happen in the market, and it will get those patterns and will give the signal alert as a buy alert or sales alert. So actually you can use this indicator to trade on Forex, cryptos and stock as well. But I'm pretty excited to test it out on our Autobot, to automate our binary option. So without further ado, let's jump into our platform. Okay, so first of all, if you guys don't have the Autobot trading signal, so you needed to sign up to the autobotsignal.io, then go to download right here. Just click on the download, then download the appropriate software according to your type of computers, either it is a Windows or a Mac. And before we go into the Autobot, let's jump into the indicator that I'm going to share with you today. So this indicator is a pattern indicator. Like you can see right now, we got a butterfly pattern, give an alert on a sell pattern, sell signal right here. So it's pretty good. I'm pretty excited to test it out and find out if we get more winning or we get more losing. Okay, so the indicator that I subscribe to is this guy. Let's go to invite only because you needed to pay for this indicator. It's called it's a Harmonic Pattern Pro, this one. Okay, Harmonic Pattern Pro from Lonesome. Yeah, this guy is pretty good, script writer from the TradingView community. You can have a look, all of this, detail about, his indicators. Actually, he was, published it in 2021, maybe longer than that. So this is just a update version of his harmonic pattern. So this one is a paid indicator. So I did the purchase. And so now it's time to test it out. Okay, so let's go to the harmonic, okay, below here, the new one. If you are going to the setting right there, so by default zigzag will be 8, error win rate will be around 8% as well. You got a looking for pattern from a 20 to 150 site, a pattern. And all of this are default, but I did some configurations to this so that I can get more alerts often. Okay, let me delete that one, this one. So we got this one here, sell, and now I think we got a deep crab pattern as well. Also will give a sell alert on the next candle. That's what I'm doing. I'm giving alert on the next candle here, sell. Okay, so to set it up, running with the Autobot, so normally you will do if one you have that set up. So normally I will get the zigzag at 4, the error rate at 10%, and we are going to looking for a lot of indicator here from the pattern size of 10 to 200 MAC. Find a pattern for long and short. Okay, not just long, but if you want just one, long or short, you can just select, but I will select longs and short. So when you select that, just scrolling down. Okay, so all of this, just leave it. Don't search for the same pattern, don't update the pattern, keep the last pattern on the chart. Yes, and if you want to disable that, you can do, because when it is failed, so it will try to update a new pattern, and then you can just jump into that new pattern. So that's also the deal as well. Let's go to the search for pattern. So there's are a lot of pattern here, and if you wanted to filter out those pattern, like you don't want the Gatly, you don't want butterfly, you can just uncheck that. Okay, but if you want all the pattern to trigger the alert, you can just enable all of that. For example, like here you can see the butterfly pattern, and then they have a deep crab pattern. See, that's pretty accurate. That's pretty nice. So we will go to the detail into the result of this later. Let's go down. I enable all of this pattern because I wanted to see all this pattern, how much we are going to be able to make. And then here is the pattern alert. It's quite different, because when you are using a normal alert, when you click on create alert on a normal one, so let me close this, like this, and then you select your indicator. This case is already remember this alert, for example. So let me change the alert. When you select on the alert, they will ask you the condition to buy or to sell, and then there will be a message, and you needed to input your JSON code here so that it can communicate with the Autobot. For example, like the one I created right there. Click here. You just needed to copy this code, JSON code, and then paste it here. Okay, for the alert setting, you needed to paste it here in the alert setting, in the message alert right there. But for the premium indicator, they build in the buys and the sales alert within one indicator, so you don't have to create two different alerts, like for buys or for sales, something like that. You just create one alert, and it will trigger based on the condition of that indicator. So let's go to the alert slide. You can see alert here, so you can check which alert you want to have or which alert that you don't want it to have. For example, a new pattern found, like for example like this, a new pattern found, and then it's triggered the alert. A new pattern update when this is failed, and then it's update to the next one, and then you can also follow to trigger the alert as well. And then enter position, they also have enter position. We don't want that. And they have the read the target 1 or read the target 2. I will also trigger that as well, and the rest will be fine. Okay, so we have a new pattern is formed, we're gonna trigger. The pattern is update, we are going to trigger as well. And also the target, it's mean when it is closed position. So where we can put our JSON code. So normally when the indicator built in with alert like this, you can just input the custom alert here. Okay, like here they said custom message alert. This is where we put our JSON code. Okay, the JSON code you can also go into our website to find. Let's go into this one and MetaTrader and just copy here. Okay, for the buy alert, you can just copy back to your alert, and then you go to the alert built in within that indicator. Click on the setting. Let's scroll down to the alert built in here. So they have the alert built in within that. We're gonna set one is the new pattern is found, a new pattern is formed like this, and then we're gonna paste our alert there. So they have a custom message for long. So once you copy from website, you just go there and just you can delete this and paste our alert here. Set up our set up our key, signal key right here. Joe signal, so that's gonna be my signals, and then that is for long. And then for the short, the same thing, just delete that, paste it here. I'm gonna change the key here from the dot to be a Joe signal. It's gonna be my signal I'm gonna use here, and this is the custom for short. Oh, we're gonna change this to sell like this. Okay, and the same thing here for the pattern update. You needed to paste it for the custom long alert and short alert. Same thing here. I'm gonna set up this alert. When this alert happen, it's gonna send out this custom JSON code, and it will connect to our Autobot. Okay, So we're not going to set our webhook here in the alert setting. What we do is we're setting just only the signal for buys and sell. Okay, so when it's done, you just click on OK. So in this case, let me cancel this because I already saved it. So when it's done, you just click on OK. Then from here, you can create an alert by click on the three dot right here, add alert, and then you select that indicator because this condition already select that indicator, and then this will be any alert, like any alert, because this indicator will give the condition based on the custom alert that we already set in the indicator itself. So you don't have to create more alert here. Just create one alert. It will trigger when it is buy, and it will be triggered when it is sell, based on the setting that we already do on the indicator itself. So when it is done, and then you just click on create. Okay, so I already created. So you can have a look here. This is the one that I already created from the Euro British, Euro Japan, and also Euro US dollars. So these are the alert that I already set. I create just one for the Euro British. It will trigger both buys and sell. And for the Euro Japan, so you just needed to set up once, and then it will trigger for both buy and sell, because the buy and sell condition we already doing it in the setting alert within that indicator already. So you don't have to create a two separate alert for that one. So let me show you what is the result so far. We have a total of 8 trades, and we got 2 loss and 6 win. That's pretty good for me. We have a 75% of win rate using this indicator with this signal right here. So let me turn on another brokers, and from this I will running with the Quotex. Okay, when login is done, I'm gonna test with my signal key as well. So open it. We're gonna trade with $15 as well. And we're gonna select the auto martingale for our money management to recover the loss. Then we'll change it to live account and click on start. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the new alert to form, and then we will find out for our Quotex how much we are going to make. And we have a lot of update also coming into the Autobot journal. So let's talk about the journal a little bit. Let's go back here. You go to your profile here, click on the dashboard. So once you're in the dashboard, you can go to a live account right here, because by default it will be on the demo account. But if you want to see your data on your live account, you click on live account right here. So this is my account in December. This is the result that we've been making profit so far using the Autobot trading signals. You can we have a lot of filter here on our dashboard, so that you can learn from the strategy that you are using. If you have a specific strategy that you've been testing, you can go to the signal here. You can filter those signal. For example, lately I've been using Joe signal a lot. This is the new signal that I just use. You can just click on it and then go to the Joe signal here. You can see those results coming from the Joe signal, how much you are able to make from that specific signal. You can see how many days are winning. We have a lot of update on the statistic right here, so we hope you love it. So coming to the calendar, in the calendar we also design a note or a journal. Okay, let's go into today result. So okay, I just start my bot. Okay, we got one win right here. Awesome. One win. Let me have a look here which one that we got on 47. Okay, right here. Oh, this one. Yeah, we got the black swan pattern form, and then it gives a sell signal. So that's where we are winning right here. And I think we got another one here on the Euro British, it's a deep crab or shark pattern. We could give a short signal as well. So it looked like we are going to win another one. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Okay, so that's our signal. That's our indicator. So you can test it out, or you can also go into the websites and copy the trade from me as well. So I'm using Joe Signal, okay? The Joe Signal, this one. Okay, let's back to our dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can, filter all the signal that you've been using so far, and you can filter it out which signal working best for you. We also have a range filter, so you can filter range from a specific month, specific date, until today. We also have a weekly filter, we have a monthly filter, and we also have a yearly filter as well. So let me remove this filter. We back to our monthly filter right here. So we make like $1,700 so far, on this month, using the Autobot. And let's go to our last month here on November. How much we were able to earn. It was $3,300 last month on November. So you can filter all of this stuff, and have a look all your data here. Mostly green, pretty exciting, pretty good. And you can filter down to October. Let's go to October. So October, we also making profit as well. Yep, we got 1 day losing here, and the rest of that are green. That's pretty good. 1 day, 2 days, yeah. The rest are green. That's pretty good. Okay, and then let's go to September. So I've been using this software from July until now. Yeah, September we are losing a lot here. September's 9 September 2000, and then we are making profit so far, but on 19 we've been losing and trying to regain our profit up until the end of the September. So we not making profit on that. And if you're going back to August, let's go to August here. So August we did make profit here, 3009, starting from there up until the end. So yep, that's pretty excited about the journal, and I believe that by learning from your weakness and mistake, you can improve your trade and become a better trader. And we also have a ranking as well, so you can click on the ranking. You will see all the top earning trader listed in the leaderboard right here. You can also request to copy their trade. That will be a new features coming soon before New Year's 2025. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot of things to update on our Autobots community. So we hope that these new features will help you to become a profitable trader and become a better trader, especially by learning from others as well. So for me, I enabled this this setting. You can copy and apply into your Autobot anytime you want. But for other trader right now, we don't have a request copy trade, and if they are not enable their live copy trade setting, so you will not be able to see it. So unless you request them, and we will have that feature here. So new feature will be coming soon. I'm pretty excited about it. So let's have a look into my ranking today. Let's go to today ranking. Here on today. Oh, I don't see myself here. Oh, $71 in profit. Let me go. Yep, yeah, $71 in profit. That's pretty cool. So just starting, a couple minutes here, like at 9:47 until 10, like less than 20 minutes, we already make $70 in profits already. That's pretty cool already, using this indicator. So guys, you can try with this new indicator. That's pretty good. From this new indicator, you can have a look, or you can just request to copy me on my ranking right here. Just click on it, copy, and then you will see all my setting right there. You can just copy the signal. So this signal will be changing from time to time. So before you using those signal, make sure that you click on copy to see if I still using the same signal, or I already changed it, because from time to time I'll be changing my signal key. Okay, so make sure that you click on copy to to read those signal key before you apply it to your Autobot. Okay, so let's back to our Autobots. Right now we are in $83 in profit. That's pretty good. At a 62% win rate after 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes of running this indicator. So that's pretty exciting about this new indicator. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any question about the new indicators that I show you today, you can leave the comment down below. I'll try my best to answer it. And if you have any recommendation about a better indicator that you find in the TradingView community, so please leave the comment down below. I'll love to try it as well. And for now, bye bye.